Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendar, covering all the features, interface, elements, customization, settings, scheduling tools, and productivity. Google Calendar is a cloud-based time management and scheduling platform developed by Google. It allows users to create, organize, and manage events, meetings, reminders, tasks, and collaborative schedules across the multiple devices in real time. And this guide is structured for beginners, intermediate users, and professionals who require an in-depth understanding of the platform for academic, corporate, or personal productive use. The tutorial will cover access and account setup, interface overview, event creation and management, recurring scheduling, notification and alert, calendar sharing and permission, time zone management, multiple calendar configuration, task integration, advanced setting and customization. So first, Google Calendar requires Google account for the access. On the desktop, you need to open any of the web browser. Once you open to your browser, in the top there's an address bar. What you have to do is type down calendar.google.com. Alternatively, access the application through Gmail, Google Drive. Click the Google application grid icon in the top right and select the calendar as well. Over here, it shows that calendar is also available in the dark mode or any of the device default. You can select to this theme here as well if you want to select any of the light, dark, or the device default, and select got it after you're done. And after opening to this Google Calendar on the desktop, the interface consists of several structured components. In the left side, we could find this mini month navigation, create button for the new entries, my calendar sections as well on the bottom, and other calendar section on the bottom. Users can enable or disable visibility of the individual calendars by selecting or deselecting the checkbox beside each calendar, deselecting or selecting it. And in the top, there's this navigation today. In this button, previous and next navigation arouse. And over here, there's also a search bar, view sector, options like your day, week, month, or yearly schedule customs. And each view provides a different structural perspective of the scheduled events. On the main display area, the central panel visual represents scheduled events based on the selected time or the increment. And over here, we can also find the settings menu. In the settings gear icon, Google account profile icon, here you can go to the settings, trash, experience, print, or the get add-ons. And on the left sidebar, there's this mini month as well. And users can enable or disable calendar visibility, calendar name. And in the main calendar grid, the central panel displays your scheduled events depending on the selected view. Your day view, your week view, your month view, and the year view displays all the months overview as well. And if you want to create an event on a laptop, there are two primary methods to create an event. You can click on any of the specific time slot here and select to this event. A quick windows appear here. You can select to the mode and select to this event over here. And you can also type down a title for the event, your day, the task appointment schedule, your day, if you want to add any of the guests, if you want to access any of your friends as well, you can do that. If you want to add a Google Meet video conferencing, you can do that. You can also put a location, add description or the Google Drive attachment, and after that you can select save. If you want to explore the mode option, go to this mode option here and you'll find all of this: guest, modify event, inviting others, other list, the notifications, add-on notifications, your busy schedules, your time zone as well. And after you're done, you can select to this save in the top. And to modify an existing event, you can click onto this any of the event, and to create a recurring event, you can open to this event, create here, select to this event here. You can also select your event, task, appointment schedules, your time over here, daily, weekly, monthly, annually, or customize as well. The custom option allows specifying repetition intervals, selecting particular weekends, defining an end date, setting a fixed number of occurrences. Recurring events are automatically replicated across the selected time frame. And once you get into this mode option here, you can also select to this notifications, your email notification, how many minutes before event, hours before event, days before event, and multiple reminders can be added. And the next thing is you can also go to the setting. Over here on the top, you can also find this settings gear. The setting gear opens a panel where you can control all this aspect of your Google Calendar account. So you can go to the setting here and you'll find this, the general setting, default event duration here. You can also change the language or the region as well. You can also select for this time zone that you want to change if you want. Over here in this trash, the trash option allows you to recover deleted events within 30 days. You can also view chronological list of the events that were deleted, restore deleted events back to your calendar, permanently delete events to free space or the remove sensitive data, and useful for the accidental deletion of important meeting reminders or the task as well. Over here in this appearance, this menu allows you to customize how your calendar looks on the laptop. You can also change your theme model of the light, dark, default, density, or the color. You can also select this color set here, modern or the classic as well, to this event color and information density here, responsive to your screen or the compact. and this improves clarity, reduce eye strain, and help visual organization. And after you're done, you can select this done here. And over here on the print, you'll find this is the print option allows you to export a physical or the PDF version of a calendar. Here you can choose also which view to print, day, week, month, or agenda schedule. Here once you click on it, you can select this print range, your view, auto view, your font size either for the normal, smallest, smaller, big, or biggest. Here you can also select this color and the style, including the events, details, titles, time, guest, names, description. You can choose the layout, landscape, or the portrait, generate a PDF or send directly to a printer, useful for sharing offline schedule or the creating backups for the reference as well. And over here, the next is to get add-ons. The get add-ons features connect Google Calendar to the third-party productivity tool available in the Google Workspace Marketplace. Adds-on as the project management tools, video conferencing tools, workflow automating tools, and add-ons extend Google Calendar functionality with the new features. Install add-ons typically integrate directly into the calendar interface for the quick access as well. And over here, this is for the Google Calendar support. The calendar support option opens the official help resources. Here you can select this help, training, or the send feedback to Google. As I'm going to select this help here, this access to the Google's help center for the articles or the tutorials. You can also search for any of the help that you want. You can visit the help forum as well, and you can access the troubleshooting guide for the error sync problems as well, and contact Google support if you have persistent technical issues, and this ensures users have immediate guidance for the technical or the functional problem as well. And over here we can find this on the right hand side. There's a task icon. The task icon links your calendar with your Google Task for the comprehensive task and to-do management. To create the task, add individual tasks with the deadlines directly in the calendar. Also add subtasks, break a larger task into multiple action steps, set due dates and the time as well. You can also add a task here and mark complete. If you're done, you can select this due dates here. You can also select the repeat if you want. You can also put any of the details here as well. And integration task syncs across the Google Calendar, Gmail, and the mobile devices. Prioritization organize tasks in order of urgency or the importance for the effective time management, and ideal for combining project management and daily scheduling in one interface as well. And over here in this map icon, we can find this icon integrates the Google Maps to the provide location context for the event as well. Over here, the event location lookup automatically link the physical address of an event with the Google Map here, and directions and travel time as well. Here it also navigates the integration and opens the Google Maps in a separate tab for the route planning and the location suggestions. When adding a new event, Google Calendar suggests addresses based on the previous entries. And here we can find this keep on icon. The keep icon integrates the Google Keep, allowing notes to be managed alongside the calendar events as well. This access the notes quickly. Open Google Keep notes without leaving the calendar interface. Attach notes, checklist, or the meeting agendas to event description. It also creates a new note, add text, list, images of the link in Keep, and this is available for the Android devices, iPhone and iPad web app, or the Chrome extension as well. And its synchronization, all note app syncs across the Google Keep app on phone and desktop as well. And after that, we can find this upgrade over here on the top. The upgrade option provides access to the Google Workspace premium features for the professional or the enterprise level of the accounts. The features is to enhance the security and admin controls. If you want to upgrade your Google account, you can select the small icon here and select this first, and you can continue to process for the upgrade as well. And this concludes the complete guide on how to use Google Calendar on a laptop. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any confusion or queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.